guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know this video has been long overdue. I did actually record it, therefore that means I have seen everything in this box, but I do sincerely apologize. You know, some things do happen. My life is a little bit hectic, but I'm trying to throw out these videos as much as possible. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll list all my social media down below. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but it's a lot to me. So I really appreciate you guys. And if you do watch my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I try to put out as many videos as possible, from fashion to makeup. And I think I want to throw in a little bit of some stories or something. So I'm definitely going to throw in a little bit more of a mix in some future videos. So definitely hit that notification button or bell to stay updated to, watch my videos in the future. Without further ado, like I said, I did open this box because what happened was I had was recording this video, then my dog was just all over the place, my baby was crying and she was hungry and it just wasn't working out. So I put everything back into this box and we're recording it all over again. So here is my June BoxyCharm unboxing box. So this is what the box looks like. Ta-da. Their theme is BoxyCharm Getaway. And on the back of this card lists all of the full-size products. If you're not aware of BoxyCharm, I will leave the link down below. I'm not affiliated or anything, it's just a link to the website. I believe you can take a little quiz just to get an idea of products that you like. So I'll list that link down below. So if you want to check it out, you're more than welcome to. But BoxyCharm is $21 a month, and you do get 4 to 5 full-size products in your box. So if you want to check it out, again, link in description. So here is some of the products. Again, I do know what's in the box, but we're gonna bypass that, and you guys don't know what's in the box. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. The first things first is the Tart High Performance Naturals. It's BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. And on here, it says it's packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte. Your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty, cool pinks to the rich bronze and the brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to Amazonian clay formula. And this palette here is retail $36. So it's so cute. Like, this packaging is super cute, reflective. Of course, it's built like a compact mirror, so it has a mirror in it. And then here has like that smell of Too Faced chocolate palette. One of my little sections was kind of looking like it was about to fall out. So, but anyway, these are the colors here. If you can see that, it's very neutral, as mentioned. You have some really nice mattes. If you can see, I'm gonna swatch those. Those are the mattes, and then here is the shimmers. You can see that. I don't even think that's doing it justice, but it's cute. I mean, I feel like there's another palette that I have that my best friend got me I want to say like a year ago, and I forget what it's called, but I use that one all the time, and it's almost as similar. I like keep it in my purse because it's just like those natural, neutral-esque colors, but really cute. And then on the back, it does show you like the names of the palettes on a little sticker here, so that's really cool. All right, next product is this Steve Laurant Jelly Highlighter in the color Cotton Candy. And then this is retail for $26. This jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so much fun to use. Watch it glide with the ease using your favorite brush or simply dab it with your fingers for an effortless glow. And again, it retails for $26. Looks like this. Ooh, wow. Ooh, okay, 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 okay. All right, Lord. So I'm going to swatch said highlighter. It's cute. It's really nice, soft, very blendable, easy to blend. This is really, really nice. I think it would look really nice in, you know, like that wet J-Lo kind of look. When you do like a light to medium foundation, so that it looks almost like your natural skin tone, but sun-kissed in a way. I think this will look really nice. The next thing is a Dominique Cosmetics. I think this is a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss, and apparently it says peach tea, I believe is the color. Where are we at? Oh, it's Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, which is super cute. It says add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. And these retail for $17. So I believe the color that I got was peach tea. It says on the box. Yep, peach tea. Girl, I used to love peach tea. Like, growing up. It smells pretty nice. I'm going to swatch it right here for you guys. There we go. It's really pink. Really, really pink. I don't know if it will fit my skin tone per se, but it looks like that. Really sheer, nice pink. Not too much. It's not really that sticky. It's really nice. So yeah, it's cute. And again, this retails for $17. I don't know why I try to put that back in the package. The next thing is this Dirty Little Secret lip liner in pale pink. And it's smooth, creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. And these retail for $15. Honestly, I don't think this lip pencil color is fit for my skin tone, so I might give it to like my best friend. And so it looks like it there yet. It's really pretty, but I don't think it's really me. So I think I might give this to her. Last but not least is this Poreblem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. It says let your makeup stay a while with this new Touch and Soul no problem Poreblem Prime Essence infused with calendula, a fish. Oh Lord, floral accents. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And this retails for $23. Okay. It's very liquidy, like my mic's here, so very liquidy. Ooh. Does it? Has like a really light detergent floral smell. It's not bad. It feels silky, really silky. It feels very hydrating to me. So yeah, this is all that I got in my box. I was going to try these products out, but since there are some of these products that I think I might give to my best friend, I don't think I'm going to really try these products. I think I'm definitely going to give away that lip pencil to her. Um, I don't know about this lip gloss. I might keep it. Let's anyway, let's see what it looks like. I normally don't do colored lip glosses. Okay, it's simple. Like it's simple. It's not even all that to be like, I don't want it. I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm definitely gonna give her the lip pencil though, and I might ask her if she wants this eyeshadow palette by Tarte. I might just give her these two. So yeah, that is all that was in my BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, I do apologize that this is kind of just, you know, but I'm definitely gonna try to throw in these products. Well, I'm definitely gonna try to throw in these videos. My my goal was to um, do like every Wednesday and Sunday, but that's when I was on maternity leave. And now that I'm back to working, I really don't have that time because my daughter is definitely getting bigger and she requires a little bit more attention every day. So I'm going to definitely try at least once a week throw in these videos. Um, I spoke to one of my good friends and I think I'm gonna try to talk to my husband about doing the podcast again. So if you guys are interested in that, please let us know, and more than welcome to start that up again because that was so much fun, you guys. So yeah, we're going to see if we can throw that in. Of course, the baby will make her debut every now and again. So definitely be mindful that we are parents and babies do require attention. But thank you guys so much for always understanding and being so thoughtful and just nice and humble in my videos. And please continue spreading the love. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course. Hit that notification bell. Follow me on my social media because I definitely interact with you guys. And I'm always blowing up my Snapchat. So, or my Instagram as well. So, until next time, you guys, I will also list all the products down below. So, if you're interested in buying these products, they'll be down there. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.